A little bit of farm welding for you. Don't expect nothing pretty, but it should hold. I mean, we'll see. It either holds or it doesn't. I'll go get the wheeler fired up and see what happens. So that there is actually pretty packed down now. This is all fresh rock that we just had delivered because this here was a sinkhole that they can't get the mobile home through. That Cameron's going up here on this lot. But anyway, so this just ate 16 yards of rock. But now it's all evened out. I didn't end up getting the leveling that part out on video, but it's actually looking pretty good now compared to what it was before anyway. Much more even than it was. I did a couple passes down this way just to kind of level it off some, but it's not the best. You can see it a little better. But yeah, this was a lot more uneven before we started dozering it out flat and kind of widening things out. So Cam's lot's going up there, and this part here is where we're still working. Might speed this up a little. So this is going to be Austin's lot here. We just put 32 yards of rock into this, and it's still a muddy mess. So we're trying our hardest to bring this up to a grade that's actually reasonable. But as you can tell, the land in here is so wet that we're fighting with it pretty hard. But we did put the rock in here, and hopefully that'll kind of push some of the water out. And then we dug this drainage trench, which seems to kind of be working, kind of not working. I'm not sure. Because, you know, you'd think that the water would filter through, but I think potentially the ground is too packed or too saturated. I'm not sure. If it was saturated, it should fill the hole. So, but I mean, it is, you know, draining some. So we're gonna send this across the driveway and down that way, end up draining that. But once this is patched back together with the culvert in, then I'll take that roller we just fixed and go over this a bunch like I just did up there, kind of just flatten it out. But anyway, yeah, that's kind of the scoop for today. Jeez, freaking hair. Yeah, fixed that roller, got part of the driveway smoothed out that I wanted to, so yeah, good enough for today. Another project tomorrow.